Okay, so I'm going to very quickly show you a very useful function in Google Sheets called the Explore tool, which can be found on the bottom right-hand side of Google Sheets. Now you can see from my screen that I have a spreadsheet with 975 rows of data. Now using the Explore tool, I can analyze this data very quickly and easily without any prior experience of using a spreadsheet. So by pressing the Explore tool, this will bring up a new window. And as you can already see, it's seen the data within the sheet and started to make some predictions about certain criteria that you may want to analyze. Now, if I go down to the bottom, it's already done a pivot table. But what I'm actually going to do for this example is I'm going to ask a very normal question. So I'm going to type in top 5 year 10 students by achievement points. Enter. And as quickly as that, it has analyzed all columns of this data. And I can very quickly see from here what I'm expecting to see. And I can click on see formula and drag and drop. And very quickly, that information is now within my spreadsheet. And if I'd like, I can actually also press on chart, and using the exact same information, I can insert a chart within the same spreadsheet.